Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily change your options for installing and downloading updates. So if you want to automatically installing and downloading updates to your Firefox, so how you can do it? First you need to go here with click on three lines and just choose settings. After you choose settings, you need to choose general and just scroll down, and here you will find allow Firefox to, and just click here automatically install updates. It's recommended. Here you can see the second options, check for updates but let you choose to install them. So just click on first option and it will automatically check for newest updates and just download it and install it on your computer. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.